Un oaspete drag nouă, Camille Bord, din Franța.
Because she has read the translation of Carolina Elica, let us welcome yet another woman poet, Camille Bord from France. She's born to an ancient French family in Paris, and her works, they are rich with inventions and images, delicate yet dense and strong. One of her main recurrent themes is the mythical and fatal woman. Love is a constant presence in her poetical universe. She's also known for her persistent use of rare poetical forms, and her noble and just ideas make her an important figure of the present literary context.
Robert, merci. So I have to speak in English again. I'm very pleased to be in this group with Georgetta, with Catalina, Robert, Jean, and all of you, because I'm sure it will create this synergy to make the connection with Romania and other countries of Europe through, of course, this world language. But Romania, French, Italian, all the Roman language have to be there. And that's very nice that we can share with Turkey also this community of language. So I was very proud last year to have a translation in Romanian by Carolina Elica, and I will be very, very happy to have a translation in English read by Liliana also. You have a marvelous English with this Romanian accent. And to make the connection with other poets, maybe a little bit later for this morning, I will read Simone Chevalier. She's very unknown actually in France. She's in connection with Romania, but it's a sort of mystery. And I found a poem very involved for women, and it will be good for you, Liliana, for mystical poetry. Because in fact, she said, I have a woman in me. En français, c'est qui es-tu, ô femme en moi primitive? Qui es-tu, ô femme en moi primitive? In English, in myself, in me. It's very difficult to translate in English, but I will try. And this Simone Chevalier wrote a lot of things about Marie. She wrote novels, she wrote a marvelous poetry. So that's why I will read this poem. It's Tour d'Ivoire. Alors maybe some word in English before. It's ivory tower. Tour d'Ivoire, because everybody is in his ivory tower. Who are you, oh woman in myself? Primitive, quickly lost to drift, still half stuck in muscle of days. You understand? It's difficult. But what force called is a mystical force. What woman in me, from age to age, has cut her hair? What woman has cut her chevelure? Has slain her dove and poured the ambrosia on a marble sculpture. Il a versé de l'ambroisie sur une sculpture de marbre. Je vous le lis en français. Qui es-tu, ô femme en moi primitive, vite perdue, à la dérive, encore à demi enlisée dans la fondrière des jours? Mais quelle force appelée pour te tirer du limon lourd, tu te rends en implorant tes deux mains émergentes vers l'autre immaculée, une et toute puissante. Qui es-tu donc en moi, naïve? Qui crois-tu pouvoir payer avec l'impalpable du temps, lueur de flamme et trouble encens, ce qui est sans poids ni mesure, ou par les pas et par la bure, au matin d'un pèlerinage? Quelle femme en moi, d'âge en âge, a, pour gagner le cœur sans prix, coupé sa chevelure, immolé sa colombe et versé l'ambroisie sur le marbre d'une sculpture? Et l'autre, qui est-elle, bouffée de présence, de grâce intemporelle, si douce à la mortelle en peine? Où est-elle? À quelle distance, si proche et si lointaine? Femme à genoux, constitue ton aura. Source, veux-tu capter ton prisme de clarté? Ton idole n'irait qu'au même pas que toi. Il faut arracher les racines, plongeant dans les marais du temps, pour que s'efface cet espace qui, de l'enfant au cerf-volant, tend un filet couleur d'abîme, où se perdra l'espoir tenace. Bulle, détache-toi, par un désir lustral, ô femme, affleure au piédestal. Peut-être par les yeux de l'image éternelle, tu pourras voir enfin ce qui est au-delà, et les rayons offerts par ces mains maternelles, nées du même foyer, prolongeront tes doigts. It's a poetry very classical, very lyric, and very mystical. So it's a really a connection. And now it's a poem, a short, easy poem that I wrote called The Naja About Time. Alors, The Naja, it's a snake that my American translator found the cobra. I don't know what you say.
Cobra,
but it's not the same snake.
Snake, dangerous snake.
Yes, cobra is not Naja.
Killing.
Why in America it's cobra? I don't know. Maybe for the song.
No, cobra in Romanian is also say cobra, just cobra.
Yes, the Naja.
Le mot roumain, c'est cobra. Cobra.
Cobra.
You don't have Naja?
No.
Non?
Cobra.
Naja is so beautiful.
Ah,
And the
c'est
song
pas
are so
des
different
courants.
between Naja and
Ah.
French. There is a lot of connection. Connection, it will be this kind of name that we can use for everything. And Naja, you have, it's like the water, it's like the sea, the mother cobra.
Mm.
Yes, you'll be singing, and I'll be starting in English.
Yeah, so
And with a
Yeah.
marvelous poet
I
and
will try.
Romanian accent.
every day I am outraged, all the hours crush me, minutes afflict me. I want my life to be simple. I walk with adversity. Cobra with piercing eyes hypnotizes me and renders me incapable of happiness. We are best when young. Adults, we are numerous, demanding and cantankerous. When old, a solitary watchman. Oh, divine ecstasy, pale beat of my vigils, have pity on my old obsessions. To wear and tear on my body the ritual, the rites, so that you, misfortune still knocking, do not find me at home. I lost a lot of time, near furiously jealous of people, numerous imitators, like you, everyone. The cobra crushes its prey, destined to suffer, because it wants to grow inspired by the way. Every day I'm outrageous, all the hours crush me, minutes afflict me. I would like to be immense.
En français, le Naja. Chaque jour, je m'indigne. Toutes les heures me brisent. Les minutes m'affligent. Je voudrais être simple. Je côtoie le malheur, Naja aux yeux perçants. Il m'endort et me rend inhabile au bonheur. Jeune, on est le meilleur. Adultes, ils sont nombreux. Exigeants et peigneux. Vieux, un seul veilleur. Ô toi, divine extase, pâle ardeur de mes veilles, et pitié de mes vieilles antises, pas de drame. L'usure de mon corps, les recettes, les rites, pour qu'enfin tu m'évites, malheur, qui frappe encore. J'ai perdu un temps fou, près des jaloux furieux, des plagiaires nombreux, comme vous, les bas. Le Naja broie sa proie, destinée à souffrir, parce qu'elle veut grandir, inspirée par la voix. Chaque jour je m'indigne, toutes les heures me brisent, les minutes m'affligent, je voudrais être immense. Voilà, le temps c'est le serpent.